one more really quick look at the psyllium experience. This is the appropriately proportioned dose in an appropriate amount of water that's been sitting out for about 2 hours of class time. Definitely drink it right away instead. This is, let me raise a glass to toast here, the not enough water for the amount of psyllium. And I'm pretty sure we might be about ready to make the Lego bricks out of it. All right, appreciate you guys. Little quick glance too, if anybody didn't get it or wants to share with someone else, is your differences in the types of anti-ulcers with, pan with me slowly here, the reminder that sucralfate coats the ulceration like icing or frosting, which is sweet like sugar. Not really, but it also has the ability to cause hyperglycemia in people at risk for that. So sucra, sweet, sugar, coating, frosting. It's the green on that one. Thank you all so much. See you next time.